Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of parapsychology. For centuries, humans have been captivated by phenomena beyond our scientific understanding. From alleged psychic abilities to ghostly encounters, parapsychology delves into the unexplained, challenging our beliefs. Today, we'll explore the subfields, research methods, criticisms, and notable figures in this intriguing area of study. Get ready to question your reality as we venture into the enigmatic world of parapsychology. Let's kick things off with telepathy, the alleged ability to communicate directly with another mind, bypassing the senses. Imagine sending a text message just by thinking it, or knowing what your best friend is thinking before they even utter a word. But does it hold any weight in scientific inquiry? The scientific method thrives on observation, experimentation, and reproducibility. While anecdotal accounts of telepathic experiences abound, controlled laboratory settings haven't definitively proven its existence. Over the years, researchers have devised ingenious experiments to test for telepathy. One classic example is the Xena card experiment, where participants try to guess the symbols on a set of cards hidden from their view. While some studies have shown results slightly above chance, these findings are often met with skepticism due to potential methodological flaws. Stories of twins separated at birth sharing remarkably similar experiences, or mothers intuitively sensing when their child is in danger, tug at the threads of our understanding. One theory that attempts to explain telepathy is the concept of a global consciousness or a collective unconscious, a realm of interconnectedness. It's a tantalizing idea, suggesting that we're all part of a vast interconnected web of consciousness. Who knows, maybe someday telepathy will move from the realm of science fiction to established science. Until then, it remains one of the most intriguing and debated topics in parapsychology. Now let's shift our focus to clairvoyance, the alleged ability to perceive information beyond the reach of our five senses. Imagine closing your eyes and instantly knowing the location of a lost object, or having a vision of an event unfolding miles away. Clairvoyance is like having access to a hidden camera feed, a sixth sense that allows us to tap into a realm beyond the ordinary. Throughout history, clairvoyance has been linked to mystical traditions, spiritual practices, and even law enforcement. Stories of individuals using clairvoyance to locate missing persons or solve crimes have fueled public fascination. Skeptics often attribute these apparent successes to coincidence, lucky guesses, or even cold reading techniques. Proponents argue that clairvoyance is a genuine ability that can be honed through practice, meditation, or other methods. One of the most well-known figures associated with clairvoyance is Nostradamus, whose cryptic predictions continue to be studied and debated today. From a scientific standpoint, clairvoyance presents a significant challenge. The very nature of clairvoyance suggests a mechanism of information transfer that defies our current understanding of physics and neuroscience. Despite the lack of a clear scientific explanation, the allure of clairvoyance persists. Whether clairvoyance is a genuine phenomenon or simply a product of our wishful thinking, it continues to captivate our imaginations. Now fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to venture into the mind-bending realm of precognition, the alleged ability to perceive future events before they happen. Imagine having a glimpse of tomorrow's headlines, knowing the winning lottery numbers in advance, or foreseeing a life-changing event. Precognition is like having a sneak peek into the script of time. Throughout history, accounts of precognitive experiences have been documented across cultures and time periods. From ancient oracles to modern-day psychics, the allure of predicting the future has captivated human imagination. But is precognition a genuine phenomenon, or simply a case of wishful thinking, coincidence, or clever interpretation of random events? Some intriguing studies have explored the possibility of precognition. One line of research focuses on presentiment, where individuals exhibit physiological changes moments before a randomly presented emotional stimulus. Another area of interest is the study of dreams, which many cultures have attributed prophetic significance to. Despite the lack of a definitive scientific explanation, the possibility of precognition continues to intrigue and inspire. Whether precognition remains a tantalizing mystery or eventually finds its place within the framework of scientific understanding, it serves as a powerful reminder of the vast uncharted territories that lie beyond our current knowledge. The idea that we might be able to catch glimpses of the future holds a certain allure, tapping into our deepest desires to control our destinies. Chapter 4, Psychokinesis, Mind over Matter. Get ready to flex your mental muscles because we're about to delve into the fascinating world of psychokinesis, the alleged ability to influence the physical world with the power of the mind. Imagine bending a spoon with your thoughts, levitating objects, or even influencing the outcome of a dice roll. Psychokinesis, also known as telekinesis, is the stuff of superhero comics and science fiction dreams. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and when it comes to psychokinesis, the evidence is often anecdotal and difficult to replicate under controlled conditions. Throughout history, there have been countless accounts of individuals claiming to possess psychokinetic abilities. However, when subjected to rigorous scientific scrutiny, these claims often crumble under the weight of skepticism. Magicians and illusionists are quick to point out that many alleged psychokinetic feats can be replicated through trickery, sleight of hand, and clever manipulation of physics. Despite the lack of definitive scientific evidence, research into psychokinesis continues in some circles. Some studies have explored the possibility of micropsychokinesis, where individuals attempt to influence the outcome of random events at the quantum level. Chapter 5. Ghost Hunting, Seeking Spirits in the Shadows. Now, prepare to enter the chilling realm of ghost hunting, where we explore the spine-tingling possibility of life after death and the lingering presence of spirits among us. Imagine venturing into a darkened, reportedly haunted location armed with electromagnetic field detectors, infrared cameras, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Ghost hunting, as we know it today, has its roots in spiritualism, a 19th century movement that believed in the ability to communicate with the spirits of the deceased. Today, ghost hunting has evolved into a popular hobby with countless television shows and online communities dedicated to exploring reportedly haunted locations. But what does science have to say about the existence of ghosts? From a scientific perspective, the evidence for ghosts remains inconclusive at best. Many reported paranormal experiences can be attributed to natural phenomena, psychological factors, or simply the power of suggestion. For example, fluctuations in electromagnetic fields, which ghost hunters often interpret as signs of spirit activity, can be caused by a variety of mundane sources. Similarly, auditory hallucinations, such as hearing voices or footsteps, can be triggered by sleep paralysis, anxiety, or even carbon monoxide poisoning. Despite the lack of definitive scientific proof, the allure of ghost hunting persists. Whether ghost hunting is a genuine pursuit of paranormal evidence or simply a thrilling way to explore our fascination with the unknown, it continues to captivate our imaginations. Chapter 6, Near-Death Experiences. Glimpses of the afterlife. Now, prepare to journey to the edge of existence as we explore the profound and often perplexing realm of near-death experiences, or NDEs. Imagine hovering above your own body, traveling through a tunnel of light, or encountering deceased loved ones. These are just a few of the common elements reported by individuals who have come close to death and lived to tell the tale. NDEs have been reported across cultures and throughout history, often leaving a lasting impact on the individuals who experience them. Many describe a sense of peace, joy, and unconditional love, as well as a profound shift in their perspectives on life, death, and the nature of reality. From a scientific perspective, NDEs present a fascinating puzzle. While some researchers attribute these experiences to physiological changes in the brain during times of extreme stress or oxygen deprivation, others speculate that they might offer a glimpse into the possibility of consciousness existing independently of the physical body. One of the most well-known researchers in the field of NDEs is Dr. Raymond Moody, whose groundbreaking book Life After Life, published in 1975, brought near-death experiences into the public consciousness. However, despite decades of research, the underlying mechanisms and meaning of NDEs remain a subject of debate. Skeptics argue that NDEs can be explained by hallucinations, oxygen deprivation, or the brain's natural response to trauma. Proponents argue that NDEs offer compelling evidence for the survival of consciousness beyond physical death. Whether NDEs are ultimately explained by science or remain a profound mystery, they continue to challenge our understanding of consciousness, death, and the nature of reality itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey through parapsychology. From telepathy to near-death experiences, we've explored some of the most intriguing and perplexing mysteries of the human mind and the nature of reality. Remember, the world is full of wonders, and while science provides us with a powerful framework for understanding the universe, there will always be questions that push the boundaries of our current knowledge. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and never lose your sense of wonder.